Peñón de Gibraltar. All set, Murph?
Stagger 1-3, this is Hemlock. I'm your 3-letter specialized skills officer. Be advised, Carter and Espina are heading down towards Old Town. Once you've joined them, all last of the pack's TOC. Intelligence reports a pack commander at the target.
Roger that.
And you'll be part of the beach landing. The Matrix under attack! Disembark now!
Marines, get in! We need to get clear of the ship now! I got the turret! Just made it out. Roger.
The Megan is going down! Make it right! Straighten it up! We got mines in the water! Take him out! Hold on ahead! Protect the Amtrak! Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2 inbound. Good Mike from the BOS! Under heavy fire! Deploy smoke! Approaching the beach! Taking fire from the beach! Holy smoke, that was close!
Ready for beacon!
On the beach! Contact front! Engaging! First wave of troops deployed! Advancing! Push through their defenses!
out best you can, Lo. Stone, take him on to CCP after we've linked up with the rest of Dagger.
I got you. We're gonna work on that. We need to stop the bleeding.
Murphy! We need some help down here!
You! Turret!
I need to patch him up. Keep pressure on this wound.
I got you. What unit you with?
They just lit us up. We were the first wave. They just tore right through us. It was a shooting gallery.
Rest of your unit get off?
I'm the only one who made it. It's just me.
Just breathe. You'll need your strength when it hits you. Trust me.
Coming up to the link-up point! Gear up! Look hot!
Stone! What do you got?
Dismount! Hey, keep pressure on this wound.
Go! I'll get him to the CCP!
Clear ramp! Clear ramp!
Cannot advance with anti-tank in the AO. Switching to holding position.
Toes down!
Charlie 5, toes are down. You're clear to move in.
Good copy, Dagger 1-3. Advancing. Charlie 5 engaging.
Elevated target eliminate! Quick fire!
Contact. Multiple enemies. Opening fire.
Hold the line! Reloading!
Hostile spotted. Engaging. Charlie 5 on the move.
Target above, neutralized! Engage!
Roger that. We're clear. Hemlock, we've linked up with Murphy and Lopez. Copy. Provide an escort for Charlie 5. Approach the TOC with extreme vigilance. Intel suggests it's heavily defended.
You heard the man. RG on Charlie 5. Keep it active.
Objective is to escort Charlie 5 to the TOC. Once we've found our overwatch, we move on the compound and secure that pack's commander.
Good to have your support, Dagger. Packs are dug in around here, using the buildings for cover. Perfect for an ambush.
Roger that. Raiders, scan high and low. Cover your sectors.
Clear!
Contact!
Copy!
Check the windows!
Launch it!
Taking damage.
Charlie 5!
Building's coming down!
Going down!
We're clear. You're good to go, Charlie 5.
Moving.
Picked up radio chatter. Packs are dug in ahead.
Contact!
Building up ahead!
Windows!
Hostiles touch!
Need to reload!
Sending frag!
Commence firing.
Shotgun! 30 meters!
On our flank! Sending frag!
Take down that MRAP! Taking contact! Taking heavy fire! Marine! The IFB needs repairing! Nice work, Murph.
Commence firing!
Can't take much more damage! The route's blocked. Down the stairs, through the alleyway. Push through. Copy.
Murph, that track is NMC. Keep moving.
Ambush!
We're taking heavy fire! Dagger, protect Charlie 5.
We're clear.
You can advance, Charlie 5. Negative, Dagger 1-3. We cannot advance until all hostiles in the immediate area are down. Roger.
Reloading!
Target above neutralized.
Raiders! All hostiles eliminated. Link up back at Charlie 5.
Friendly's ahead! Dagger! He's advancing on the enemy position! Fuck! Armor! Get the cover, Marines! Charlie 5, hold position. Holding.
Throwing frag!
No letting up!
Weapons free.
Affirmative.
Take out that armor before it wipes us out!
Need support!
Stay on it! Here it comes!
Front! Sniper! 50 meters! Top side!
Enemy officers out of the fight.
Taking damage. Murphy, repair Charlie 5. Clear. Charlie 5, all enemies eliminated. Advance. Moving, Dagger 1-3.
Grab that ammo.
Charlie 5, hold. The road's blocked. Roger, Dagger 1-3, holding back and we'll wait for your order.
Hans, we got stairs here.
Marines, with me. Move up.
With you. Moving up.
Stay alert. Scan the windows and rooftops. Cover your sectors.
Scanning high.
I got low.
We need to find that overwatch position.
There's no route through.
Found an opening.
Weapons free.
Negative.
Citizens should immediately gather assistance.
Imagine leaving everything behind, just like that.
You think they made it out? Dagger. Through here.
I got rear.
Boss, 12 o'clock. Isn't that...
McIntyre.
How the fuck they get him? And where's the rest of Lancer?
No fucking way. What are we looking at? There. Between those pillars. Got him.
I got the shot. Just say the word.
Negative. The amount of firepower down there, they'd carve us up. We need backup. Charlie 5, this is Dagger 1-3. Over.
Charlie 5, send it.
Confirmed. Hostiles at target location.
Copy that, Dagger. Flanking from the east. Give the order and we'll push through.
Copy Charlie 5. Friendlies in the area. Wait for my call.
Roger that.
Murphy, tell me there's a way down. Square's covered. Looks like weapons and ammo.
Weapons cache. Pax is covering.
Copy. Any way to make it to McIntyre? We got options. Fuck ton of packs to push through. God damn it. Talk to me.
McIntyre's gone. No mercy.
All right, listen up, Raiders. Securing this fob is our top priority. Let's not make it personal. Let's move fast. Let's move decisive. Take clear shots. Check your ammo. Dagger on my 6. Roger that. Let's go.
Charlie 5, you are cleared to move in.
Roger that, Dagger 1-3.
Coming in from your 3 o'clock. Enemy armor, south of the square. Maintaining defensive position. We need to clear the way for Charlie 5.
Sniper eliminated!
Advancing. Charlie 5 is clear.
Need to reload!
Moving on the objective.
Marksman eliminated! Weapons free!
On it.
Engineer, Kate!
Right cover fire. Reloading. Right on target.
Reload! Cover me!
Square's clear. Move to the building.
Thanks for the help, Charlie 5.
Elevated target eliminated!
You're gonna need this.
We're clear. Advance into the TOC.
Target eliminated!
Contact! engine room.
Hostile using cover!
Engage! Tango above, down!
Anyone got eyes on the commander?
Rifle room opposite.
Push across, Marine. That asshole might still be here. Target behind cover.
Reloading! Cover me! Shotgun attack!
Clear.
Clear.
Room's clear. Conduct SSE. Fucker's gone!
Has. Looks like our ride is here.